Good morning, boys and girls. It's Friday. It's celebration assembly today. So, you know what comes first. We've got our birthday boys and girls, our birthday mums and dads, and birthday brothers and sisters, and birthday teachers. So, if you have a birthday this week, you can come and join us at the front. You can stand up, and we're all going to sing you a birthday song. Here we go. Smiles on faces. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear children. Happy birthday to you. And a birthday clap for everybody that's having a birthday. Hope it's a very happy one. Excuse me, boys and girls. Right. We've got so many children who've been reaching for the stars. Your mums and dads and teachers have been emailing me and Mrs. Delgado this week with all the wonderful things you've been up to. So we've got some special awards today. I'm going to start with respect. And this week, our respect award goes to Charlie Locke. Let's find out what Charlie's been doing well. Inspired by World Ocean Day, I think I saw something about that on Facebook, Charlie enjoyed learning about plastic pollution, and then we headed down to Chalkwell Beach to see how much plastic we could find. Armed with a grabber, that's what they use to pick up litter, Charlie was great at spotting plastic and picked up a whole bag full of litter. I'm really proud of Charlie for getting stuck in and for his enthusiasm to learn about plastic pollution. Well done, Charlie Locke. You are really respecting our environment and we're proud of you. Okay, who's been enjoying this week? Our award for enjoy this week goes to Eva Young. Well done, Eva. Eva has been super enthusiastic about her schoolwork. Well done, Eva, because that's a challenge in itself. She's been carrying on after we finished our lessons, practicing her GPS, and in particular, telling the time. And you know, boys and girls, her mum and dad haven't even had to ask her. She's just doing it because she enjoys it. She's also been very thoughtful and kind, planning a mummy day where her and her little brother did all the jobs for the day and they treated their mummy to a shoulder massage. Fantastic. I'm very proud of her and I'm feeling very lucky, and that was her mummy. Her mummy is feeling very lucky and we're very lucky to have Eva in our school, aren't we, boys and girls? Well done, Eva. Now, this hasn't happened before, but I've chosen 2 children for Achieve this week. I hope you don't mind. So the first one is Millie McCarthy. Millie, we're so proud of all that you achieve in school and at home. Your mummy is very proud of you too. Well done, Millie. Keep reaching for the stars. The other one is for Harley Brown. Harley tries and tries until he gets it right, and he's becoming more confident with his learning every day. That's because you're not giving up, Harley. Well done. He always asks if there is a new video from his teachers and he wants to give them a go. He sings along with the singing assemblies and he teaches his little sister the songs too. That's nice, Harley. Well done. We're all very proud of him. I've done it again, boys and girls. There are 2 for Care this week. The first one is for Ben Halloran. Let's see what you've been doing well, Ben. A few months ago, Ben planted tomato, sunflower, carrot, lettuce, pumpkin, basil and sweet corn seeds. He watered them. He made sure they had sunlight, and he looked after them every day. How caring, Ben. He helped his dad plant them in the garden when they were big enough, and he's continued to care for them and to help them grow. We've been eating the lettuce and basil that he's grown, and you know, it's delicious. We're proud of the way that he's nurtured the plants and looked after them so carefully. And so are we, Ben. Keep it up. Well done. And the next one is a bit unusual because it's for two children together. It's for Bea Mellor and Amelia James. And I'm used to hearing those two names next door to one another because I know that they're very, very good friends. And this is what it says. Bea and Amelia have been best friends from their first week in reception. They've really looked after one another during lockdown. They've FaceTimed one another and had a really long chat. They've written letters to one another, and they've even bought one another little presents and made things for each other too. The chats have probably been the most important and the best things for them. They've been so caring to one another, and they've really helped to keep each other's spirits up during what could otherwise have been quite a tricky time. So well done, Bea and Amelia. We're so proud of you. And the final one is for being healthy. And this week it goes to Rosie Steed. Well done, Rosie. Rosie does PE with Joe Wicks every day. And that's kept her really healthy. That's kept her body healthy, hasn't it? She's also been doing videos of herself reading stories for other children, and they've been really popular. Our teachers have been doing that too. So as well as keeping her body healthy and strong, Rosie is also keeping her mind healthy by keeping herself busy and doing the things that she really enjoys. Well done, Rosie. We are really proud of you. Right, boys and girls, well done. I know there are more children in our school that have been reaching for the stars this week. So if you, mums and dads and teachers, if you would like to nominate somebody for one of our Reach Awards next week, you can just drop me an email, tell me why, what award you'd like to nominate them for, whether it's Respect, Enjoy, Achieve, Care or Be Healthy. And tell me why they really deserve that award, and you'll never know, boys and girls, next week could be you. So I'll see you again on Wednesday for singing assembly, and I'll see some of you in school next week, so that'll be really exciting. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye for now.